Firefighting equipment can range from a small exploding ball to a large truck. Innovations and inventions in this area grow overnight due to the extensive research being done on how to combat fire more efficiently. In today's video, we're going to look at some of the most effective and amazing firefighting tools out there. So, what tool will we be looking at? And how do they work? Stay tuned. Welcome to Future Tech Lab, and today we will take a look at some of the best and most amazing firefighting machines that you never knew existed. The trailer deck gun. Industrial firefighting and protection demands are best addressed using the trailer deck gun, which is specifically intended to deal with flammable liquids in storage and gases under pressure. For fire suppression, cooling, personnel safety, dangerous gas dispersion, and more, it can deliver up to 6,000 gallons per minute of water or foam solution. In the event of gas pressure or uncontrollable fire, the trailer deck gun can supply dry chemicals to extinguish them. There are some types that can deliver a maximum flow rate of 8,000 gallons per minute. When the water supply is insufficient or fluctuating, or when more supply lines are being installed, this can be a useful tool. In automated mode, the nozzle adjusts its tip pressure to maintain flow, optimizing its effective reach distance in response to a fluctuating water supply. With the water ballast tank, the trailer has been designed to be lighter and more maneuverable while yet maintaining a high stability safety factor. The Allied Fire. During the last several years, the Allied Fire has quickly become a standard product on the market for firefighting equipment. The firewall uses a breakthrough technology that activates itself when it comes into contact with fire, making it unlike any other firefighting device. In the event of an unintentional fire, the Allied Fire Ball is a scientifically established and effective self-activating fire extinguishing solution. Whether you're securing your own home or a factory, a boat, or a restaurant, you will find this gadget very useful. Inventors of the fire extinguishing ball have taken the limitations of traditional fire extinguishers and found solutions to them in order to cover all functions and combine the great qualities of many forms of firefighting equipment. There was no firefighting apparatus that could run all of the processes of firefighting, including suppression and automatic surveillance, until they succeeded in inventing an automated system. TF-35 Firefighting Robot. There has been testing in Abu Dhabi of a firefighting robot that can be used in regions that are too risky for human firefighters. Using a turbine mounted on a caterpillar track, the TF-35 squirts water and foam on nearby fires. The vehicle may be remotely operated from a distance of roughly 300 meters. The device was created by engineers from Italian firm EMI Controls and German firm Madras. The companies added that the robot is capable of addressing fires in road and metro tunnels, chemical industries and oil refineries, and electrical substations, among other locations. According to EMI Controls, the device makes it possible to cool the fire more efficiently, while still extracting heat from it by atomizing water into a fine mist. There are areas that firefighters cannot reach because of heat, but this machine does it effortlessly. Big Mobile or Gross Ventilator. A fire in a large object can swiftly turn into a catastrophe. In smoky locations, firefighters can't find their bearings, and the heat builds up, spreading fire. Thanks to the engineers of this firefighting machine, firefighters can now enjoy improved visibility and decreased temperatures in burning buildings due to the Big Mobile Gross Ventilators. Rescue operations may be carried out more quickly, safely, and effectively than ever before. Smoke and heat damage can be prevented by directing airflow. It is possible to significantly reduce production downtime in the event of a fire in a manufacturing or assembly building. You can cool things down and keep hazardous gases at bay using the water mist system. The heat-absorbing capacity of the fine water mist is exceptional. Auto Fireman. It's an automatic fire extinguisher. It's installed in your engine and automatically detects and extinguishes fires. Like a regular fire extinguisher, this product isn't passive and can truly save your automobile and even save your life in the event of an emergency. In the form of two small, red hat-like devices with small holes on one end and a hose lead coming from both, this device works miraculously. Installing it in your engine is so simple that anyone can do it. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. When it comes to preventing car fires, this gadget is a slam dunk because most of them start in the engine. The extinguisher will be activated when the temperature reaches around 600 degrees Celsius. This equipment should be able to put out the flames within 30 seconds or so. The Auto Fireman detects fires using cutting-edge technology, and the system is quite reliable. Bridge Car Fire Blanket. When it comes to extinguishing car fires, nothing beats the Bridge Hill Car Fire Blanket. Every fire in an automobile is extremely hazardous and toxic. There is nothing more devastating than a car fire in a gas station, road tunnel, car park, or passenger ferry. You can put out a car fire using the Bridge Hill Car Fire Blanket in only seconds, even if the vehicle is on a huge fire. A simple drag of the Bridge Hill Car Fire Blanket over the vehicle will rapidly extinguish the flames using the smoke in the covered area. Due to a shortage of oxygen, the fire was shortly extinguished. Bridge Hill Car Fire Blanket allows you to put the fire until qualified firefighters can get there. This is because lithium batteries on electric cars will continue to burn even if there is no oxygen or treatment with standard fire extinguishers. There is always a risk of a car fire in parking garages and other sites where there are a lot of vehicles. Every parking level should have easy access to the Bridge Hill Car Fire Blanket. IFEX Shotgun. The IFEX Impulse firefighting gun was designed for use by fire departments and rescue teams around the world. Even big fires may be put out with only a modest amount of water thanks to these incredibly effective firefighting devices. Firefighters may extinguish a fire from a safe distance because of the high discharge speed of 400 km per hour and the wide cooling surface area. This machine can be used to extinguish even high-voltage electrical fires, thanks to the inclusion of foam ingredients. The only thing required here is a meter worth of space. The IFEX 3000 Impulse Firefighting Pistol is used in conjunction with a backpack or trolley as a man-supported system for self-sufficient use by fire departments. Together, they make the ideal team for a speedy first attack and a successful firefighting operation. Multiscope Rescue Robotic Firefighter. It's an unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, from Milworm Robotics and Innovifoam. They have developed a foam proportioning system as a firefighting solution. With the use of several cameras, including thermal and infrared, as well as sensors aboard the robot, firefighters can control the firefighting robot from a safe distance, while still having access to a complete view of the operation area. To separate cameras and monitors on the multi-scope rescue robotic firefighter, the vehicle can change position while keeping a clear view of the fire, allowing the firefighters to operate independently of the UGV. Additional preventive and repressive mechanisms and autonomous functions can be added to the system, allowing it to be equipped with a range of firefighting-specific payloads, such as foam or water tanks, and even drones for improved situational awareness. For regions and structures that larger vehicles cannot access or that may collapse on firefighters, these robotic firefighters can also deliver heavy fire hoses. At-hang aerial firefighting solutions. High-rise firefighting requires an autonomous aerial vehicle. The at-hang aerial firefighting solutions were developed for this purpose. In a single trip, this aircraft can carry firefighting foams and 6 fire extinguisher bombs. The at-hang aerial craft has a maximum flight altitude of 600 meters. With its visible-eyed zoom camera, it can find hot spots fast, and then with a laser-guided targeting mechanism, it sprays foam extinguishers, window breakers, and finally fire-extinguishing bombs. It's also possible to dispatch the crafts for the first reaction even before the firefighters arrive, which greatly reduces response time and casualties. The RAB Fire Extinguisher. Fire extinguishers manufactured by RAB Global Green are safe for both humans and the environment. This does not mean, however, that using the fire extinguisher is completely risk-free. When the typical fire extinguisher is mishandled, it can cause irritation to the lungs, skin, and eyes. Environmentally harmful chemicals are present in extinguishers, and they can leak into water or contaminate things when they are being released when putting flames out. Fortunately, RAB has a fire extinguisher that solves all of these problems. These extinguishers contain environmentally friendly chemicals and are not harmful to humans. You don't have to throw away everything after getting sprayed when putting out a fire. You now just have to wash it off, and you are good to go. So, as we wrap up, which of these tools do you find most effective? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, if you are interested in more tech videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Goodbye, see you in the next video.